In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix "We suspended your Facebook account, 180 days left to appeal, disable your account, problem solved." When Facebook tells you "We suspended your account, 180 days left to appeal," it means their system has flagged your profile for violating policies, and they've temporarily disabled it while giving you a set time frame to prove your account is legitimate. If you don't act within those 180 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So appealing as soon as possible is important. To solve this, start by going to the login screen and clicking the Appeal or Request Review option that appears with the suspension notice. Facebook will usually ask you to upload a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Make sure the details match the information on your Facebook profile. If your account name doesn't match your legal ID, you can include additional proof, like utility bills, school IDs, or official documents that show the connection. Upload the files and submit them through the form provided. Once submitted, you'll need to wait for Facebook's review. In some cases, they respond within a few days, while in others, it can take weeks. If your appeal is accepted, you'll regain full access to your account. If denied, you'll usually be told why and sometimes given a chance to send another appeal within the 180-day period. While waiting, avoid creating multiple appeals at once, since this can slow the process or make it look suspicious. If you believe the suspension was a mistake but your first appeal is rejected, you can try again by accessing the Facebook Help Center appeal form directly through a browser. Using the exact email or phone number linked to your suspended account is crucial, otherwise Facebook won't recognize your request. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.